as a small
mandis are
point
going
because
to
I'm
stay.
not.
But
1 minute.
let me tell you an interesting thing. Farmers are not going to go to mandis because we have moved to a surplus situation from a deficient situation. So the intermediaries are going to suffer. This is exactly the same point when Narasimha Rao abolished licensing. Everybody told whole country will collapse. Nothing happened. When he abolished licensing, only some of the intermediaries were making noises in Delhi. So my point is very simple. Just because you are adjacent to Delhi, you cannot dictate terms to the entire country. This is a very, very wrong approach.
I think
and
Professor
this is
Vaidyanathan.
politically suicidal approach,
Professor,
I would say.
Professor, you are.
Because large
thank
number
you.
of people in South,
Can I please see the
large
guest and
number
please?
of
Thank you.
people
1 minute.
are fed up of this Delhi-centric
Yes.
politics.
One single question.
Delhi
Very
is
final
having huge
point.
amount
Okay,
of
on the
pollution.
bill.
Ban
One
Okay,
single
okay. Now, Professor Mandal, I'm telling you to be quiet because you were the last person to
Let
speak.
me make it very clear.
I
Delhi is
thank you.
not India.
One single
Let this
question.
be written in bold letters in every entry point of Delhi. If Delhi is barricaded, let it be. If it is surrounded, let
Okay,
it be.
Professor
Why should I bother?
Vaidyanathan, I need to.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have
Professor Vaidyanathan, may I
more
please?
than
May I please come in now?
Second, thank you.
Now there are two guests who have not spoken. Gaurav, I'm coming back to you once. Okay, Sanjay Saraf, you can come in with your point. I wanted to make a point here, but let Sanjay Saraf and Prafulla Ketkar come in. You can debate it. Then I'll open up the debate. All right? Yes, Sanjay. Yes, Sanjay.
Yeah, Mr. Goswami, the confusion which has been created by the opposition as well as by the middleman, they have created the confusion of MSP, which has been already committed by Honorable Minister that the MSP will sit. And the reformers, you just see these reformers are going to accelerate the growth. There is nothing like that the way farmers are in the front. The middleman, those who are losing, because they will be no more. Once the situation, once the act will be automatically, once it will be worked, the things will be completely different. The farmers are going to get growth from out of all these things. It is very unfortunately the way these type at the time of COVID things are happening really very bad for Delhi and the surrounding states because all the people, those who are supporting it, they are from all Congress-led government people.
I'd like Prafulla also to come in with his points. Prafulla. And DK Giri, feel free. You are smirking, but you can also interrupt if you find. Don't heckle, but interrupt. Yeah. Yes. I'm listening, Prafulla.
You know, as you have started the debate on the political point, I have no doubts the way biryani is being served by Aam Aadmi Party and the entire protest is being instigated by Congress. I have no doubt that this is a politically staged protest. Because if the farmers were the real issue, farmers all over India would have been. They are protecting the power brokers of Delhi who are interested in protecting the interest of middlemen. They are only raising this issue. You ask them a single issue. MSP, they don't have any answer because government has already clarified that the MSP is going to stay. MSP was never a legislative business. It was always an administrative business. So there is no question. The Delhi government, which has already promulgated the law in Delhi Gazetteer, they are supporting the farmer agitation. What kind of nonsense is this? I have no doubts that this is Shaheen Bagh Part 2. And that's why we have to be very careful. Otherwise, the real farmers of India will never block roads coming to Delhi. They don't have this kind of mindset. So the people who have always acted as middlemen in Delhi's power circuit are supporting the middleman in agricultural sector now. Agricultural sector, which was a stranglehold of all these middlemen. The farmers are being freed from them, and that is their worry. Their monetary channels are going to be blocked the way they are blocking the Delhi. That is their worry.
Now,
please try and understand the reality.